Hello students, welcome back to the session. In this session, let us discuss force acting on the charge which is in the state of motion in a magnetic field. If any charge is in the state of motion, or else if you consider any moving charge in the region of magnetic field, the whatever the moving charge you consider in the region of the magnetic field, definitely that moving charge is going to experience force. Which force it is experiencing? Magnetic force. So magnetic force is acting on moving charge in the region of what? The magnetic field. Imagine that we have the magnetic field here. I will take a coordinate system for reference to represent the direction. This is of course x-axis here, and of course y-axis, one more is z-axis. So imagine that here we have the what? The magnetic field. This is the region of the magnetic field, and direction of the magnetic field, say for example, is along x-axis. Along x-axis we have the magnetic field. Now I will consider a charge. Q is a charge, and this charge is present in the magnetic field. This charge is present in the magnetic field. Imagine that initially this charge is in the state of rest. Suppose if a charge is in the state of rest inside the magnetic field, definitely it is not going to experience any force. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಈ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನೌ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಸಚ್ ಅ ವೇ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ v in such a way that the direction of motion of a charge or direction of velocity of a charge makes an angle theta with what? Direction of the magnetic field. Which charge I have taken now? I have taken a charge moving with velocity v in a magnetic field B in such a way that the direction of motion of charge or direction of velocity of a charge makes an angle theta with what? Direction of the magnetic field. ಈ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ? ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್. ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ magnetic field. Definitely as per our discussion, this moving charge should experience, ಈ moving charge ಮೇಲೆ definitely force act ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು. Which force that acting on this charge? Definitely the force acting on that charge will call it as a magnetic force, and that magnetic force is given by the formula F is equals to what? QVB sin theta. The force acting on which charge? Moving charge in magnetic field is given by the formula F is equals to what? QVB sin theta. What is Q here? Magnitude of the charge. What is V? With what velocity the charge is moving in a magnetic field. What is B? Strength of the magnetic field. What is theta here? The angle made by direction of motion of a charge with what? Direction of the velocity. So direction of the motion of a charge with the direction of the magnetic field here. Therefore F is equals to QVB sin theta is called which force? Which force it is? Magnetic force. Magnetic force acting on moving charge. Very important. Moving charge in which field? Magnetic. So force acting on moving charge in magnetic field is given by F is equals to QVB sin theta. When this force is maximum, of course, if theta equals to 90 degree. What is the meaning of theta is equals to 90 degree? If theta is equals to 90 degree, sin 90 degree is equals to 1. Theta ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ 90 degree ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ sin theta, sin 90 degree is 1. Then definitely the force is given by what? Q, V, B, and this force is also called which force? Maximum force. When maximum force is acting on a charge, the maximum force is acting on a charge, or force acting on the charge is maximum when it is moving perpendicular to the direction of the magnetic field. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, maximum force is acting. Best example, say for example, if the charge is moving along which direction? Y direction or y axis. If the magnetic field is along what? X axis. Now the theta is how much it is? Theta is equals to 90 degree. In such cases, charge is moving perpendicular to the what? Direction of the magnetic field, then the force is maximum. When the force is minimum? When the force is minimum? If theta is equals to 0 degree. What is the meaning of theta is equals to 0 degree? Or theta is equals to what? 180 degree. Theta is equals to 0 degree or theta is equals to 180 degree. Sin theta, sin 0 value is 0. Sin 180 value is also 0. When the force is minimum, the force is minimum or 0 when theta is equals to 0 degree. What is the meaning of theta is equals to 0 degree? Suppose charge is moving in the same direction of the magnetic field. If the charge is moving in the same direction of the magnetic field, and the theta is equal to 0. If charge is moving in the direction opposite to the direction of the magnetic field, and then theta is equals to 180 degree. Theta 0 andre charge is moving in the same direction of the magnetic field ಅಂತ. Theta 180 degree ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ charge is moving in the direction opposite to the direction of the magnetic field. ಇವೆರಡೂ ಕೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, force acting on the charge is minimum or 0. Tell me when the force is maximum and when the force is minimum. Force is maximum when charge is moving perpendicular to the direction of the magnetic field. Force is minimum or 0 when the charge is moving in the same direction of the magnetic field, or else the charge is moving in the opposite direction of the magnetic field, parallel or anti-parallel to the direction of the magnetic field. In such cases, the force is minimum. Nodri concentrate ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Force is maximum. Force is maximum when charge is moving perpendicular to direction of magnetic field. Perpendicular to direction of magnetic field. Force is minimum. Force is minimum or 0 when charge is moving parallel to what? Direction of magnetic field. Parallel to direction of magnetic field. So in these cases what happens, the force will become minimum and force will be maximum. Very important question what we can expect in the examination. Mention the expression for the force acting on moving charge in a magnetic field when it is maximum and when it is minimum. Okay na? So next class we will discuss about what? The direction of this force. The direction ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ. I am concentrating only on what? The magnitude of the force. In vector form, how I can write this in vector form? In the vector form, I can write this as F is equals to what? Q. VB sin theta can be written as what? V cross D. V cross B. This is the vector form of what? Force acting on which charge? Moving charge in a magnetic field. Okay.